Hello everybody, welcome back to this video, and we are going to add multi-frame generation to GTA 5 for any GPU. So first thing you have to do is downloading the file. Of course the links are in my website, and when you download you will support me. Then go to the file, of course after extracting, go here, get WinMM, then go to the game folder location and just paste here. For me, I have to replace because I have already installed it. For those that have the original copy of the game, you have to do this. For example, I have the Epic Games version. Go to game, then manage. Then here in the launch option, make sure to enable this and paste this command. As you can see, make sure to enable, of course. For Steam, you can do this also. Go to Steam, then library, choose the game, and in the launch option just set here. So if you install this mod, please don't play online. Okay, very good. After launching your game, go to settings, then go to graphics, and here go down. Make sure to enable DLSS Frame Generation. Set here wherever you want, X3 or X4. When you press this key in your keyboard, this menu will be opened. Here first option you have to enable is Ghost Booster. Then go down, override, set this to quality or performance, wherever you want. For me, I will go with quality. You can enable also the stats bar, as you can see. After doing all of this, it's better to restart the game. Even when you enable DLSS FG, it's better to restart the game, then go again and edit this menu. As you can see now, the multi-frame generation is working. To be clear, it's not perfect. As you can see, there is some boosting. I think if you want a high refresh rate experience, that will be good. Let's say good. The mod is getting better and better. Maybe after 3 months or so, maybe this problem will be fixed and everything is going to be good, like we see with DLSS FG. Just note, you can enable DLSS FG even with Intel or AMD, wherever your graphics card is. So thank you for watching. I hope you like the video. See you in the next one.